This is Rupesh Kumar, lecturer in ECE, Government Polytechnic, Narayankhed, and dealing with the subject Digital Electronics of 4th semester tripling. Today's topic is Basics of Digital Electronics. Subtopic Number System, Hexadecimal Number System. Hexadecimal Number System. Teaching aids are PPTs and animations. On completion of this period, you would be able to learn what is meant by hexadecimal number, convert a hexadecimal number to binary number and vice versa, convert a decimal to hexadecimal and vice versa. Okay, once again I am repeating. On completion of this period, you would be able to learn what is meant by hexadecimal number, convert a hexadecimal number to binary and vice versa, and convert a decimal to hexadecimal number and vice versa. Today's topic is hexadecimal numbers. That is, it is a weighted code. The base of hexadecimal number system is 16. That means it has 16 digits. It uses 0 to 9 digits and A to F alphabets. After reaching 9 in hexadecimal number system, we continue counting as A, B, C, D, E and F. It used extensively in microprocessor systems. It is a weighted code. The base of a hexadecimal number system is 60. Hexadecimal number system has 16 bits. It uses 0 to 9 bits and A to F alphabets. After reaching 9 in hexadecimal number system, we continue counting as A, B, C, D, E, F, and it is extensively used in microprocessor system. It is hexadecimal number. Why it is known as a weighted code? That is, it uses different number code, that is 8421 code, for converting one system to other number system. So it is a weighted code. The base of this hexadecimal number system is 16 because it consists of 16 digits. It uses digits from 0 to 9 and A to F alphabets. After reaching 9 in hexadecimal number system, we continue counting as A, B, C, D, E, F. It is extensively used in microprocessor system. Hexadecimal to binary conversion. To convert a hexadecimal number to a binary number, convert each hexadecimal digit to its 4-bit equivalent binary. Okay. To convert a hexadecimal number to a binary number, convert each hexadecimal number digit to its 4-bit equivalent binary. Here hexadigit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. Here for hexadigit 0, 4-bit binary can be generated with the help of the code 8421. This code is generated with the help of the indices formula, that is 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 2 is 4, and 2 power 3 is 8. By this we can generate the code 8421. For that, the value of hex digit 0 is, that means 0 means always 0, like 0 0 0 0. It is the digit for the 4-bit binary of hexadecimal 0, 0 0 0 0. For 1, it might be code is 8421. That means you want to place 1 at the position of code 1, that is, and rest of the digits are codes are zeros, so that 4-bit binary number is 0 0 0 1. Once again I am repeating, you want to place 1 at the code 1, and rest of the all the codes is equal to 0, so that we get the value of 1 is 0 0 0 1. Okay, next value is 2. 2 means you want to place 1 at the place of code 2, and rest of all the codes is equal to 0, that is 8 equal to 0, 4 equal to 0, and 1 equal to 0. So the hexadecimal code 2 has binary value is 0 0 1 0, 0 0 1 0. Thank you for responding. Next one, 3. In this you want to get the value of 3, so you want to add 2 numbers of code, that is, here we have 8421. We want to add 2 plus 1, that means 3. So we want to place 1 at the place of codes 2 and 1. Therefore, and rest 2 numbers is equal to 0, that is 8 equal to 0 and 4 equal to 0. That means the value of 3 in binary is 0 0 1 1. Okay, once again I am repeating, the value of 3 is 0 0 0 0 1 1. Good boy. Next one is 4. For this you want to place 1 at the code 4, at the place of code 4. That means rest of the code values are zeros. Good boy. That means 8 equal to 0, 2 equal to 0, 1 equal to 0. Okay, 1 equal to 0. That means the value of 4 in binary is 0 1 0 0. Again repeat it. Value of 4 in binary is 0 1 0 0, 0 1
0 0
0 0. Good. You are listening my class. Next, 5. For the value of 5, the 4-bit binary is value of 5, 4-bit binary is, here also you want to add 2 numbers of codes, that is what values, 8421 code. For getting the value of 5, you want to add which numbers? Tell. See girl, 8421. For 3 we are adding 2 plus 1.
3.
For 5, 8421 లో ఏమేమి యాడ్ చేసాం?
8421.
2 plus 1 means 3.
3.
For 5? 4 plus 1. You get the marks. That means you want to place 1 at the 4 and code 4 at 1 place. Then the value of 5 is 0 1 0 1. Okay? You are bright student of my class. Then now the value of 5 is 0 1 0 1. Next one is 6. 6 means here also we want to add two numbers. What are the numbers we want to add? In 8421 code, 8421. You want to add two numbers.
4 plus 1.
4 plus 2. You are the bright student. How you are learning this? By hearing my class only. Very bright student. That means the value of 6 is 0 1 1 0. Okay? You understood? Again I am repeating. We want to place 1 at the code of 4 and 2. Rest of the two numbers are 0. That is 8 and 1. 8 equal to 0 and 1 equal to 0. That means now the value is 0 1 1 0. Next one is 7. Now we want to add how many numbers?
2 numbers.
In 8421 code.
2 numbers.
Tell me what is that?
4 plus 3.
Where is 3? 8421 code, where is 3?
8 4
2 1.
2 1. 3 numbers.
Correct.
4
That
plus
means
2 plus 1.
4 plus 2 plus 1. Rest number 8 is equal to 0.
0.
That means our code value for 7 is 0 1 1 1. You are brighter than my students. Next one is 8. The value of 8 is, you want to place 1 at the place of code. For getting the value of 8, you want to get the value of 8.
8.
Our code is 8421. Now I want to place 1 at the place of code 8. So rest of all the codes is equal to 0. So our code value for 8 is, in binary form is 1 0 0 0. Again I am repeating. Code value for 8 is 1 0 0 0. Okay. Now 9. We want to add two numbers. What are those two numbers? Sorry, two codes. What are those two codes? For getting the value of 9 in 8421 code.
2 numbers.
Two numbers.
8
What
plus
are
1.
8 plus 1? Good, good. That means you want to place 1 at the 8 and 1. So, and rest of two values are equal to 0. That is 4 equal to 0 and 2 equal to 0. So, the value is 1 0 0 1. Okay. Next value is 10. But we are writing that 10 is equal to A. Capital A. We want to get the value of 10. So that we want to add how many numbers?
2 numbers.
What are those numbers?
8 plus 2.
8 plus 2. Good, good. Okay. 2 number, that is 8 plus 2, 10. That means rest of the values are equal to 0. That is 4 equal to 0 and 1 equal to 0. That means the code value for A is 1 0 1 0. Okay. Next B. B means, what is the value of B?
11.
Okay. Good boy. 11. That means we want to add how many numbers for getting the value of 11?
3 numbers.
What are those numbers?
8 plus 2 plus 1.
8 plus
2
2
plus
plus 1. Cute girl. That is, now the rest of the value equal to 0 is, what is that value? 4 equal to 0.
0.
Rest all the values are equal to 1. So now the code value for B is
0.
in binary is 1
0.
0 1
0.
1.
1 1. Okay.
Why you were doing such type of things? 1 0 1 1.
1.
Sorry. Next, C. What is the value of C?
12.
Bright student. 12. So we want to add how many numbers here?
2 numbers.
What are those?
8 plus 2.
For 12, 8 plus 2.
Sorry. 8 plus 4.
8 plus 4. You have good buttocks. Okay. Rest of the two values are equal to
1.
0. That is 8 plus 4 equal to 1.
1.
Rest of the two values
0.
0. Okay. Now the code value is for C is, tell me,
C is 12.
what is the value? 1 1 0 0. You are not following my class. You are thinking other way. Please hear. Okay. Next, D. Okay. D means
13.
13 means how many values we want to add? Tell me.
3.
What are those?
8 plus 4. 4 plus 1.
8 plus 4 plus 1. You want to tell me
8.
straight in a straight way. On zigzag way, no. Okay. What is the rest of the value? 0. Which value is equal to 0? In 8421 code, what is the value equal to 0?
0.
Which value?
2 value.
2 value is equal to 0. Rest of the values are equal to
1.
1. So our value for D is 1 1 0 1. Okay. Next one, E. E means
14.
14. Now the values are, which values we want to add?
8 plus
8 plus
4 plus
4 plus
4 plus 2.
2. Okay. Good. Rest of the value which is equal to 0 is
1.
1. Okay. Now the value of E is,
0.
now the value of E is 1 1 1 0. Okay. Last but not the least, F is equal to
14.
now one just completed 14. Again it is 14.
15.
15. F equal to 15. How many values are added to get the 15 value?
8
Hmm.
plus 4
Hmm.
plus 3.
Where is the value of 3?
3 3 11.
So
2 1.
8 plus 4 plus 2
2
plus
plus
1. Any value is remaining?
8 11.
No. Speak in English only, not in Telugu.
Okay.
Okay. Now the value of 15 is
1 1.
1 1. 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So all the values are equal to
1
1. So 15 value is
1
1 1 1 1. Okay. Sharon, ask a question. What is the value of 0?
0 0.
0 0 0 0. 4 values. For 15?
1 1. 1 1 1 1.
Okay. For 2?
2 equal 0 0 0.
0 0 1
1
0. Okay. 0 0
1
1 0. For 3?
0 0
Ah.
1 1.
0 0 1 1. Next 8.
1 0 0 0.
Okay. 6. Sorry 7.
0 1 1 1.
You are perfect in this hexadecimal number system. You are the gold medal. You will get gold medal also. Okay. It is the hexadecimal to binary conversion. By this you can get good score. Okay. Next one, hexadecimal to binary conversion. For example, here I am giving 9AF 0.3 hexadecimal to convert into the binary as follows. Okay, problem is 9AF 0.3. Okay, hex digits, what are these hex digits? 9 is the hex digit, A is the hex digit, F is the hex digit, 0.3. Okay, we want to write each and every value in binary. You already learned, no? 4-bit binary value for 9 is
1 0 0 1.
9, value completed. For A,
1 0 0 1 1 0
1 0 1 0, completed. F,
0 1 1
F,
1 1 1 1
3,
0 0 1 1.
completed. You got the good score. Now write all the answers in straight line with respect to the point also. Now the value is 1 0 0 1, 1 0 1 0, 1 1 1 1, point 0 0 1 1. Simple. It is the binary form for 9AF.3. Okay, you understood now?
Yes.
Yes, speak loudly. Okay, again I am repeating 9AF. This much of repeating it will be 45 minutes, not otherwise not. I want to struggle more than that. Okay, you must cooperate with me. Okay, 9AF. See, girl, 9 means what is the value of 9? Again you want to tell what is the value of 9. Before only you tell that value. What is the value of 9?
0 0
8421 code, man. Where is the value of 0?
8 4 2 1 4.
1 0 1 0. 8 1. Next 1 1. Rest of all 0 1 0 0 1. For A, 1 0 1 0. For F,
1 1 1 1.
for 3,
1 0 1
for 3.
0 0
Ah,
1 1.
okay. Must remember the table. It will be very useful to you. Okay, I will show the table again. You have a glance of it and you want to written on your notebook also.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
don't touch it.
Okay.
Write, fastly write. Okay, how many digits are in hexadecimal number system?
6
1 5
Five.
15. You are learning from 0 to 9 and A to F.
Okay. 15 members.
15 digits.
Digits.
You want to tell it like digits,
Digits.
not numbers.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
total digits are 15.
15.
Here hexadecimal number system base is
9
16.
16
0 to 15 means 16. 1 to 16 means
15.
16 only. 0 to 15 means 16. Okay,
Okay.
you must get that value. 0 to 9 are numbers or digits and A to F are alphabets. Okay, once again you want to tell what are the digits. 0
0 to 9.
0 1 2
3,
3.
4,
Hmm.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, next digits. Now alphabets.
A, B, C, D, E, F.
Okay, it is very important one. These are the confusion part of the hexadecimal number system. If you write this part to the octal number system, you will get big good egg. Okay, next one. Now reverse binary to hexadecimal. Here the values are in ones, zeros. You want to write in digits and alphabets. Okay, reverse form. It is most important one. Okay, see here, the value is written in this line. Okay, you want to make groups in from left to right.
Right, sir.
Okay, when I want to turn this side only. This side no, I want to sit that side. From left to right.
Right.
Grouping 4 digits, because here we are using which code? 8421 code. How many values are there?
4.
4 values. So we want to group 4 values, 4 binary digits. Binary digits are 0 and 1. Okay, see, I am informing you about the details of the binary to hexadecimal conversion. Please have a glance of it. Now a given binary number can be converted into hexadecimal number. Okay, by grouping the given binary number into 4 bits. ఏం చేయాలి? You want to make all the number into 4 bits. Group of 4. Now if any remaining last one is with 1 or 2 or 3 digits, we want to place 0 before it. Starting we want to place 0.
0.
Okay, no need to add 0 afterwards. We want to starting only. It means if you add 0 before 1, it doesn't make any value change. If we add after 1 after 0, it will be value will be changed. Okay, you must remember that. You does not place 1 after the zeros. We must place before it. Okay, replace each group by its equivalent hexadecimal digit. Okay, replace each group by its hexadecimal digit. Prati group, every group is must be replaced by its hexadecimal number. Okay, the group should be considered from LSB towards MSB, from left to right. Left number is recognized as LSB, right means MSB. Okay, left
LSB.
Right MSB.
B.
LSB means least significant bit. What is that? Least significant bit. Most significant bit. MSB, most significant bit. Okay, you remember that. Next, binary to hexadecimal conversion. I am giving a single example for 2 numbers only. You do not fear in your mind, make fear in your mind. Simple one. For example, here we are taking only one binary number, that is 1010. Okay, here how many values are there? 4. Here we want to make 4 only 1 bit. Okay, 1010 means what is the value of 1010?
A.
That means it is equal to 10. You remember that? Now we are extending the binary number. Okay, the number is 101100 1001. Okay, 101100 1001. Okay, first grouping LSB grouping is
1001.
Next grouping is 1100. Next grouping is 10 only.
Okay.
Now we want to place zeros in front or back? Before or after?
Before.
Okay. Now what is the value of 10? 0 0 1 0. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now 0 0 1 0 means what is the value? You think 0 0 1 0. First of all, you want to take 8421 code. 0 0 1 0 means what is the value of that?
8.
0 0 1 0.
Okay.
Okay. 0 0 1 0. Think 0 0 1 0. Okay. For that, you want to make value. Our code is 8421. Okay. 1 is at which place? 0 0 1 0. 1 is which place?
8.
0 0 1 0. 1 is in which place?
4th place.
1 0 see here. See 0 0 1 0. 8421.
Okay.
1 is in which place?
3rd place.
What is the value of 1 now? 2. Now 0 0 1 0 means 2.
2.
Okay. 1 1 0 0. Now 1 1 0 0. 1 1 0 0. Now tell. You does not add 0 values. You add only 1 values.
4.
Only 1 is in 4 only. Clearly see it.
1 1. ఇందులో చూపించు మరి.
1 ఎక్కడుందో దాని రెండింటిని లెక్కయ్యే.
3.
1 1 man. 1 1. Here 1 1. Here 8 4. 8 plus 4.
12.
12 value is
C.
C. Okay. Now 9. That is 1 0 0 1. Tell me these numbers. 1 0 0 1. Here which place is 1 and which place is 1? 8 place is 1 and 1 place is 1.
9.
8 plus 1 9. Now the value is 9.
9.
Okay. Total value is 2C9. Okay. 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 2 equal to 2C9 base 16. Okay na? Now it is binary to hexadecimal conversion. Next one. Now binary to hexadecimal conversion in fractional form. Okay. You know that 2.50. That means in Telugu it is 2.5. Okay. Here 2 is nothing but rational part. What is nothing but 2? Rational. That is nothing but integer. Okay. Integer. Point after things are fractional parts. You know that if we want to take 1.5 kg sugar means 1 is as it is and half is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. 1.50. 0.5 is the fractional part. 1 is integer part. Okay. 1 is integer part and 5 is fractional part. Now we want to learn how to generate hexadecimal for fractional part. Okay. Here it is giving the binary. What is that? Binary number. You want to change it to hexadecimal number. Okay. Here reverse for the before one. Before one we are adding zeros in before part. Here we want to add zeros in after. Right side. before left side.
Left side.
Here
Right.
right side, because it is point. Okay, 2.5 kg. We can place zeros in 50 afterwards. 2.5 only. Any zeros పెట్టుకున్నా it is equal to 2.5. Okay. Now listen to this. A given fractional binary number can be converted into hexadecimal number by grouping the given binary number into 4 bits. For example, I am giving a binary number 0.101100 1001, 0.101100 1001. Okay, the grouping should be considered from LSB towards MSB in 4 bits for integer parts. Okay, 0 point. Now the 4 bits are 0.1011, first 4 grouping. Next 0010, last one is 01. 01 means we want to add 2 zeros before or after.
After.
That means the total value is 01 01 00. Okay. Now what is the value of 1011? 1011 10. Okay. 1011.
Eight two one.
That means count it.
10, 11.
11 means what is the value?
B.
10 means A.
A. 11 means B.
B. Okay. Next 0010. 0
0.
sorry 0010. Okay, here zeros are not displaying. Okay, for that I will tell like this 0010. Okay, 0010 plus 8421. Okay. Okay, tell me what is the value of 0010? Take your
2.
own time.
2.
2, correct. Next 0100. 0100. What is the value of this? 0010.
4.
Huh?
4.
It is 4.
4.
Okay. Now total values are 0.B24. Okay.
Okay.
0.B24. Okay. Now I will give one thing for you. You just describe it. 1 1 1 1. What is the value of this? 1 1 1 1. You write this in your notebook. Most important one, binary to hexadecimal conversion.
8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14, 15.
15 means
1, 1.
15 means alphabet.
F.
F. Okay. You are on the right track only. Okay. All of you written this. Next slide. Decimal to hexadecimal now. Simple it one also. But it might be very hard for you because it takes the tables. For doing this you must know the tables. 16 table you must know. You know the 16 table? Okay? Okay. No problem. How many years took for learning 16 table? Tell me, boy. Next one. 16 table you must know. Please read that. I will tell the decimal to hexadecimal conversion concept. Okay? Divide decimal number successively by 16 until the quotient becomes 0. You know quotient? Quotient remainder. You know division? భాగాహారం. 2 చెవులు ఉంటాయి, 2 చెవుల మధ్యలో ఒక నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది, ఒక చెవులో వచ్చేదాన్ని కోషెంట్ అంటారు.
ఓకే.
ఇన్ తెలుగు వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? వాట్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఆల్ ది క్యాల్కులేషన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ జీరో. దట్ మీన్స్
మొత్తం
కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? రిమైండర్.
లాభం.
You are a very good maths teacher. Okay, I don't know about that. I only learn in English, so that I don't know about that. You will tell tomorrow. I will ask you tomorrow. You must tell what is meant by quotient and what is meant by remainder. Okay. Write down the remainders after each division. Okay. What are the values which we see here? 16 2s are 32.
32.
There pi 20 only. 32 minus 20,
32 minus 20.
20. It is 12.
12.
You
12.
doesn't know anything. Tell me like that. You must read it. After going to him, what are you doing? The remainders in the reverse order form the hexadecimal number. We must write the value from bottom to up. See, here bottom, it is up. We must write the values from bottom to up. Okay. First one, 16 only. Okay. In 16 form. We doesn't know what is the value of 16. We know the values from 0 to F only. 16 is different. So, here we are taking 16 here. And we are making the 16. 16 1s are 16. Remainder is 0. Okay. We want to take bottom to up now. Next again 16. Here it will be not divided by anything. So 16 zeros are 0. Remainder is 1. Now value is, what is the value? 1 0. Bottom is 1, up is 0. So 1 0 is the value for 16. Okay. I have told you most important one. So you done the problem 873. Okay. 87. You know the 16 table. 16 5s are 85. Okay. Here 87. What is the value getting from that? 2 3. 873 no. 2 3 is remaining. Next line. Okay. Means 16 4s are 64. Sorry. 16 5s are 80 only. Sorry for, you can beat me. You can. I also doing mistakes, no. Okay, I will also beat. Okay. See, so remaining is 73. So that 16 4s are 64. 73 minus 64 is how much? 7. No, 3. What is this? I am not getting anything. 54.565. అయిపోయిందా? చాలా ఉన్నాయి ఇంకా అలా. Okay, let's leave it. Next is like that we want to do. We get the value is, here is no value. Do it in your home and come. Next one is 1 2 3 4. We want to do it 16. 16 means 16 7s are how much? I also don't know. 16 into 7. 1 1 12. Here 123. Minus 123. It is 11. Again 7. It means 1 4. We are getting the value that 2 is the value. Next 16 4s are 64. 77 minus 64 is 13. 13 means what is the value?
C.
13.
D.
D. Next, here remainder is 4. 16 0 the 0. Output is 4. Now total value of 1 2 3 4 is 4D2. Simple. Next, for this fractional part. Fractional part also simple. Here already we have done in division, but for fractional part we want to do in multiplication. Simple. Here we are taking decimal 0.5 to convert into hexadecimal, that is 0.5 into 16. That equal to 16 5 are 80. So here we are taking 0.5, so it is 8.0. Okay. 8.0 means we want to pluck out the 8 value and take it outwards. It is 0 only. 0 into something is 0. So we want to stop it there. Now total value of 0.5 is 0.8 base 16. Okay, simple thing. Now quiz. What is the base of hexadecimal number system? Tell me. What is the base? How many digits are there? Total digits?
16.
Now the base is
16.
16. It is the value C. C is the correct answer. You won a kiss. Next one. We have discussed all the things, that is hexadecimal to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary. These are the three things we learn in this session. That means for converting from hexadecimal to decimal, we are using the positional weights concept, that is 8421 code. Okay. Next, decimal to hexadecimal, we are using the repeatedly divided by 16. Okay, division concept. Next, hexadecimal to binary. Hexadecimal to binary is grouping of 4 bits. Again, fractional part, multiplication of 16. Okay. Here I have given the chart for decimal numbers from 0 to 8 and up to some numbers. Please go through it. Now hexadecimal system is used in microprocessor system, watches, calculators and all the above. What is that? Microprocessor system. You won the gold medal. Answer is microprocessor system. Next one. Hexadecimal number system is a weighted code, unweighted code. There is no positional value. It is weighted and unweighted. Weighted code. Answer is weighted code. Good. You are listening to my class. Answer is A. Weighted code. Next. Here I have given some frequently asked questions. You do it in your home. Okay. Take out your book and write in this book. First one, binary to hexadecimal and then to decimal. 3 works are in one thing only. You must do with, I don't know, 110, write it, 110, 111, 00.101010. Okay. First of all, you want to do grouping. Next, dividing. Completed. Okay. Next, B also is there, 0101, 0011.010101. Simple one. Here he interchanged the above problem. That one only. Next, C also is there, 10110011. Okay. These 3 are the problems you have given. Please do these problems and come tomorrow. Here some of the questions also there. Decimal to hexadecimal. You want to first divide and then convert into binary. Okay. First one 375. Already you learned 873, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that only we want to do 375. Next 249. Next 27.125. 3 questions. Most important. 27.125 are why question is asked many times. 20 times it is asked in examination. Please have a glance of it. Okay. Okay, once again I will show the chart. Please make a note of it, most important one. If you have any doubt in this chart, you can ask me. You doing phone or you doing in WhatsApp. Okay, please make a note of it. I will wait for you. Please enter these values from here. I have first chart, it is 0 to 7, binary also 0 to 111, octal 0 to 7, hexadecimal 0 to 7. These three values are not changed, binary only. For 0 it is 0, for 1 1, for 2 1 0, for 3
1 1
ne-
0.
for 4 1 0 0, for 5 1 0 1, for 6 1 1 0, 7
1
1 1 1. Okay, first chart completed, all of you. Okay, completed. Next, 8 to 15 chart. 8 1 0 octal 10, hexadecimal 8, 9 1 0 0 1, 11 9, 10 1 0 1 0, 12 A, 1 1 1 0 1 1, 13 B, 12 1 1 0 0, 14 C. Next 14 1 1 1 0, 14 C, 13 1 1 0 1, 15 D. Next 14 1 1 0 1 0, 16 E, 15 1 1 1 1, 17 F. Next another one 16 to 23. Okay, these are the concepts which we learned today. Please make a note of it and get good score in your examination. Here examination pattern is also changed. You have examination for 1 mark questions. Here we are giving 16 questions. You want to answer for 12 only for 1 mark questions. Next 3 mark questions are there, as well as 5 mark questions are there. You must learn correctly and get good score in your examination. Thank you for listening my class. Thank you.